Welcome dears to another video on how to make money as a millionaire. This is the third in our series. So today we're going to be seeing how we transform this piece of material that was left over from a client's clothes. This is how the cloth looks. It looks gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, and we're going to make something out of it. But before we get into that, remember this last video I asked a question. And the winner is Janet Akiyele. Yes, you can wear it in 3 ways. And congratulations. So please do contact us for your gift via the Eventcraft reception link. So straight into today's tutorial on how this was made to make more money as a tailor or a millionaire. Okay, so the first thing I did was cut out the pattern I found on the cloth. Now you can see this cloth, the piece is very small really. What you can use it to do is like a hair ruffle, but I wanted to make a fascinator for this particular client, and so I decided to cut out the pieces of pattern. So what you do first of all, when you get pieces of cloth from a tailor or your client that has just sewn the cloth, is first of all find out, can it make a fascinator, can it make a hat? If it can, check, does it have patterns you could cut out to design a fascinator? Anyway, it all depends on what the client wants also. So you weigh the two of them and you make a gorgeous hair accessory that would stand the cloth out and call for more customers. That's how to make more money. Stand it out, it calls for more customers. So keep watching and learning. The next thing I did was to burn the edges of the pieces that I cut out, and that's because it's an Ankara piece. If you don't burn the edges, it will frail and mess up your work. So you burn with your candle or your lighter, and be careful when you're burning that you don't burn your piece. Okay, now that's set. Here are the materials we'll be making use of. That's what we call shining poly. This is our thin elastic band. That is our molded hat already with pad. If you want to know how to do it, you need to join the Eventcraft and ask for Fascinator Class 3. And that's true. Whoever gets to let me know what happened that is not white, it's green, you get a gift to attend that class for free. Okay, then our measurement tape. We have our uhu gum, that my uhu gum needs more. Then these pieces, you'll see whether I used all or one or two. All right. Then we have our pegs, needle and thread, and these lovely stones, black and white. Okay, so what I usually do is measure out my Alice band 13 inches. 13 inches actually goes for both kids and adults alike, but sometimes you might want to reduce it for kids. All right. And saying this a teardrop fascinator, you really want to check it on a dummy head or your own head to know how you want it to appear on the head. So after checking this, the way I would like mine to appear, so I'm sewing it kind of at the side like that on the two sides. Okay, so you use your needle and thread, and so after you have sewn, you cover up your teardrop with your material. I've already covered it up with the shining poly. If you join Fascinator Class 3, you get to know how to do that. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is decorate with the pieces of material. Yeah, the pieces of material I cut out from the Ankara. So now I'm just setting it in place to see where I want to put it, because once you put the glue and you drop it, you have to put it there. The next step in making this teardrop Ankara Fascinator is to use your B6000 glue on the piece of material. Remember, at the back you would place it. You would put the glue, use it on the edge and in the middle, and place it on your fascinator base or your fascinator. Okay, in this case is my teardrop fascinator that I'm placing it on. So keep watching and learning. Can't find any of these items we used in your local store? Check the description of this video for Amazon and AliExpress links and mine to shop. Now, if you want to know the reasons why I use the different types of glue when I'm designing my fascinators or any hair accessories, please do check the description of this video and you would see best glue for fascinators. Go through it and you would understand why. So really in this work, your creative bulb has to be up. So as I was doing, I realized that I think 3 would just be the best to use and will come out looking lovely on this teardrop fascinator. So I'm putting just 3 leaves on it, and if you can see the way I'm doing the stock and everything, just watch and let me know what you feel about this design in the comment section below. Keep watching and learning. Are you gaining value from this video? If you are, please do give me a thumbs up. So I decided to give it a pop-up and dazzle it with some stones I placed in some places. I think it was looking nice. Keep watching. And then, yeah, what I did was to place the silver ones on the leaves, and the black, you know, the stalk that comes out from the leaves, I used the black stones and decorated it all the way down. Keep watching and learning. Want to see more of these designs on how to make money as a tailor and a millionaire? Then click on that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos coming up showing you wonderful, lovely creation. And that's how I made this lovely teardrop Ankara Fascinator to match with this Ankara dress. What do you think? Do they match? Would the client stand out in her occasion? Do let me know in the comment section below. And I would like to say thank you once more for staying with me till the end of this video. Goodbye and God bless.